Hey everyone, I actually cooked at the Radisson kitchen, Radisson Blu Karjat, and yeah, I'm gonna be sharing with you my experience in this video. There's also a part 1 of this, so definitely check that out where Chef Rajiv cooked himself, and this is the part where I cooked his recipe. Is this straight? Is the name here? Or is it here?
No, just
it's
later,
in the center?
give it to me.
Chef for a second. I was a chef for a second. Just saying, we're wearing this so that I cook better. This hat is gonna help me to cook better.
Feel better.
Yeah.
Good vibes.
All I need your help with is gonna be with your gas. You know, I don't use such a big gas. This is kind of scary for me, being honest. Oily. तो ये गर्म होने देंगे या पहले ही आप? उसके बाद हम ये डालना है इसके अंदर जब ये गर्म हो जाएगा। काफी गर्म हो चुका है ना? तो मैं इसी से ले लूँ? हाँ?
When you cook it, I'll taste it. Both together.
Can I cook what?
राइट ना खाली में ठंडा हो जाएगा फिर टेस्ट खराब हो जाएगा।
Okay.
स्पैगेटी हार्ड हो जाएगी। Have a sip.
Okay, don't disturb me. This is a match.
Okay.
Salt.
Now we're just gonna add all the veggies,
Yes.
little by little. I'm gonna just place that over there. Taking some baby corn, and that's it. That's a lot, but it's okay. Also taking, yeah, we're gonna add some bell peppers, colored bell peppers, a little bit of zucchini, and then we're taking the green ones as well. That's जा चुका है वो अंदर.
Add some butter.
No.
Oh wait.
It is a competition.
You never added butter.
No.
That will give it a nice taste.
I'm not adding butter to my pasta.
So
Now
it is
I'm
A
going to
plus
be
for you.
adding the white wine.
There's a flavor in that. Flavored butter. That will give it more taste.
I'll put that. Just a minute.
No, I need some broccoli also. Yeah. Thank you very much. And guys, I hope you all are excited about my food. Yes, I need some water. Thank you so much.
आराम से लीजिए।
Well appreciated.
It will back.
But you know, I cook at home, so I'm not that scared. I'm just scared about your
Actually,
gas.
the flame of this gas is different.
Very high.
Yes, that is why.
It's so high, I'm really scared about that flame. But it's okay.
Suddenly
I
it's
guess.
come to your mouth. That
Yeah.
is why we
Now we're taking white wine.
you can.
It's where's the white wine?
You can smell it. White wine also.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it myself.
The flame of the
Gas is gonna
yes.
come. Okay, so we're adding
We
some
have to
white
remove.
wine.
We have to remove.
Because the gas is a little bit dangerous for me, so he's gonna help me out here.
Right now it's more dangerous, huh? You know.
Dhire dhire? Dhire dhire.
Slowly.
Slowly. So, we're now mixing all that white wine. We need that flavor. Italian food is all about that flavor, my
I think
friends.
your garlic is burnt,
Yeah,
but
but
why
you
not?
know what? I'll just say that it's the gas. I'm not used
It's
to
the
your
fault
gas.
of gas, na?
It's honestly the fault of gas. It's not my fault. I'm gonna add
Kanan,
some salt,
get ready. You have to eat this, huh?
of chili flakes,
He
a
is
little
coming
bit
in
of
mouth.
dried oregano, my
Yes.
friends. All of that थोड़ा सा जल चुका है इसीलिए क्योंकि मैं इस गैस से
It's
used to नहीं
burnt.
हूँ.
Egg you, huh? Yeah.
So now we're gonna add some pasta. I'm a little hygienic on that
Oh.
front. So I'm gonna be. No, I need some more. And once we are done with this, I'll mix it, and then I'm gonna add a bit of water as well to just simply make sure that it doesn't get stuck to the pan because chef taught me that, and I don't know how to what do you say, wriggle the pan, but I'm gonna try. We need to lower the gas, but you know what? I really don't know how to deal with this gas, guys.
You have given seasoning to that or not? Salt.
I added salt before, and once I stir this, I'm gonna add some salt, some pepper, some oregano, a little bit of chili flakes, and also that aromatic powder that we spoke about. I haven't forgotten things, you know. So. Where's that aromatic powder? I need that.
Aromatical one.
Quick, guys, quick. We burnt half the utensils, but we're gonna add some water to it. So let's take some water. Some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of that, and I think I'm pretty much done with this over here. This is not my style of cooking, it's just how he taught us. Okay, that's that. Take this off the pan and then add a little bit of basil.
Yes.
नहीं है इसमें, basil खत्म हो चुका है, एक पत्ता रह गया मेरे लिए, literally एक पत्ता.
आराम से
Yeah, so we have some basil. I would have actually ideally liked some red color to my pasta, but in my hands I didn't get the red bell peppers. So just for color, I'm adding this now. Okay. And that's that. We're gonna switch off this gas first. This is ready. Now, you wanna plate this. We're gonna take a little bit of this with the tone, like that, delicately, and then very, very meticulously just place it in the center of this dish. Add a little bit more with some veggies on that. I want some color, so I'm gonna pick these veggies.
But nice, texture is nice.
Yeah, आपने पता है उसमें बाद में ऑयल भी ऐड किया था थोड़ा सा, मुझे मालूम है, लेकिन मैंने नहीं किया. So yeah, and we're done with this.
Very nice.
Thank you. I add this to add that color. Now I need all these things. Thank you. He's helping me with the garnish, even though he's my competitor right now. We're gonna take a little bit of these. Can I take this?
Sure. थोड़ा बेसिन भी था.
और मुझे पार्मेजान चीज भी चाहिए थोड़ा सा. इसे हम इसे थोड़ा कलर वालर डाल देंगे ऊपर से थोड़ा सा. बेसिल भी दीजिए.
Very nice.
ये भी ऐसे ले लिया.
वो.
ये हमें थोड़ा और डालना है. मेरा अपना कुकिंग शो होने वाला है बहुत जल्द. And chef, I'm going to apply to this resort. Just keep. Everyone here has seen my job, so this is my resume. I don't think I need to show anyone that I can cook anymore. Everyone knows it. I need basil just to garnish. Okay, by the time he gets basil, we're going to take olives. I actually really love cooking.
Yeah, put it on the ring, it looks nice.
And just gonna keep putting all of that.
Put on the rings.
On the rings, no.
On the ring, it will be looking nice.
On the ring, I'm gonna add that salt, chili flakes, and oregano. See, he made a mistake. He cooked before me, so now I've seen all the tricks. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take some of this, like that. Then some chili flakes, because see, this is for me. I eat a lot of chili, so that's why. ये जो भी
You
यहाँ
eat
पे
spicy food.
I eat a lot of spicy food. ये किसी ने नहीं देखना है. Please edit this out. And black bell pepper.
Basically, what do you call it?
You need bell pepper.
Farm से लिया ना?
Boom! Everyone, I did it.
It looks colorful though.
Ah, and the aroma is the pasta is also good.
Hello. Is it chef approved?
Perfect.
Boom! I got that stamp. No, seriously.
Nee, it's perfect. Very nice.
Seriously?
You can try it.
Yeah, don't
You
do
will
it.
feel it.
The food taster is here.
Although it is not your recipe, but you will try it. Little bit salt is less, but the taste is fine.
I'm loving the spice that I added.
Yes,
And you know, I should have added a bit more of that cheese.
yes. My specialty is in Italian. Italian, Mexican, Thai, and Conti.
Yours was chili flakes was strong. Ours is pepper, black pepper is strong.
Yeah, black pepper strong.
Oh, it's fine.
No, the taste is nice. Okay.
But actually,
We need
I
more
used
cheese,
to do
that's
it, but she has done it first time. It's very nice.
But
Very
I
nice.
cook very
Yeah.
often at home.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so
It was
much.
nice to
By
meet
the
you
way,
and demo with you.
This Sunday, let's try down to and she can cook for us. Huh?
Alright,
Right.
why not?
By the
You're
way,
most welcome.